Earhart returned to North Carolina in January 1936. While she is well documented visiting East Carolina Teachers College, now ECU, on January 15, 1936, this period was part of her broader lecture tours where she advocated for a woman's place in science and encouraged women to pursue careers in aviation and engineering. The year is 1931. A crowd gathers on a dusty stretch of South Saunders Street, scanning the horizon for a silver speck that would change Raleigh's history forever. At a time when the world was gripped by the Great Depression, the Queen of the Air, Amelia Earhart, was descending upon the Raleigh Municipal Airport. She wasn't just there to fly, she was there to inspire. In a cloud of propellers and cheers, Earhart stepped onto the tarmac to christen two brand new aircraft, the City of Columbia and the City of Savannah. But while the world remembers her face in newspapers, a truly rare piece of history was being captured through the lens of a local witness. Through the shutters of Denmark Photo Studios, this momentous day was preserved in flickering black and white. This isn't just a record of an aviation icon, it's a time capsule of a city in transformation. The Denmark footage reveals a Raleigh we barely recognize. The unfinished icon. Look closely at the background, and you'll see the NC State Memorial Bell Tower, not as the finished monument we know today, but as a work in progress, rising toward the clouds just as Earhart was. The Saunders Street runway, the very ground where commuters now rush toward downtown, was once the gateway to the skies. The meeting of pioneers. It was during this specific window of time that Earhart met a young, wide-eyed girl named Katherine Stenson, giving her the life-changing advice to become an engineer. The mystery in the frames. What makes this story so magnetic isn't just that Earhart was here. It's that the Denmark studio footage still exists to show us what she saw. It's the visual bridge between a legendary pilot and the ancestral roots of the families who built Raleigh. But what happened to those two planes she christened? And what other secrets lie hidden in the reels of the Denmark archives? Subscribe now to the NC History channel on YouTube to see more.